My name is Dave Napton and I'm Associate Head in the School of Computer Science and Engineering. The name of the workshop is Engineering the Universe and Beyond. And in this we do a deep dive in what engineering was, what it is and what it's going to be in the future, how our students are prepared for the world of engineering, but how that's based on a really rich heritage of engineering here in the North East, in the Sunderland and beyond. What we'd really like students to do in this workshop is not just sit passively and listen to the information, but really it's designed to really challenge their thoughts, to make them realise some of the challenges that engineers have now and in the future. It's a really profound thought that engineers will be working on problems that we don't even know yet exist. So it's about how engineers can equip themselves with the relevant skills, with the relevant knowledge and the relevant aptitude and approach to be able to turn their technical skills to solve these problems. The workshop is designed so that students really appreciate the breadth of an engineering programme. Yes, it's technical skills, it's calculations, practical skills as well in workshops. The engineering programmes include academic knowledge, technical skills, lots of practical skills, but lots of business acumen as well and what we call soft skills, but they're not really soft. It's how we can work and be considerate engineers and consider all the things that sustainability requires us to do. It offers a real breadth of knowledge. It allows students to really consider some of their choices as consumers but as engineers as well, and they will understand how they can have a real positive impact in the world for years to come.